My name is Urmila Nivangune. Today's topic is JIT, that is Java uh, in Time Compiler, and today's date is 20th of January 2022. So, JIT is nothing but a compiler. In Java, we need to compile the source code because machine doesn't understand the code written in our uh, English language or high level language. So, in order to convert that code into machine understandable, we have to compile that code. So, the steps are: there is a source code written in high level language. Java C is the compiler name of Java. Then Java C compiles the code and gives us a file, dot class file. That dot class file contains bytecode, and for further executions, dot class file is given to the class loader system uh, for further executions like uh, uh, to Java dot class file is given to the JVM. JVM contains JIT internally. JIT works in dynamically and gets the methods and returns the code or returns the output in machine understandable format. Uh, After that compiled code is given as input to the JIT, and JIT performs some operations, compiles the methods code dynamically. That means if we want to compile the code which is needed currently for execution, then we don't have to compile whole source code. Instead of we can compile the code which we want currently. It saves times as well because time gets saved as it compiles only a single method or the code which is uh, highly needed or uh, which is needed for execution. Then again, JIT compiles the code and gives that code to the interpreter, and interpreter performs some operations and makes a machine understandable code, and the output get we can get the output of our code. So that is all about JIT. Thank you.